Students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our today's exercise is exercise 2.6. In this exercise, we will multiply the decimal number by an integer number. First question is find 0.2 into 6. The multiplication done by our simple multiplication. Here is 0.2 multiply by 6. 6 into 2 12. 6 into 0 6 plus 1 6 into 0 0 plus 1 1. 2 into 6 is 12. So this is our answer. But here is counting of decimal number is 1, so we will place a decimal number here. So this is our 1.2. Now next is 4.6 into 8. 8 into 6 48. 8 into 4 32. 32 plus 4 36. Now counting of decimal number 1, so the decimal number placed here. The answer is 36.8. Now moving to another question. 2.71 multiply by 5. Now 5 into 1 5. 5 into 7 35. 5 into 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. Now counting of decimal points from here 1 and 2. 1 and 2 here. Next question is 20.1 multiply by 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 0 0. 4 into 2 8. Now counting the decimal point from here 1. So after one digit we will place decimal point. Answer is 80.4. Next question is 0.05 multiply by 7. 7 into 5 35. Now this is 3 0. 1 and 2. After 2 place the decimal point exists 1 and 2 here. So answer is 0.35. Next is 21102. Here is decimal point. Multiply by 4. 4 into 2 8. 4 into 0 0. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 into 2 8. Counting of decimal point 1 and 2 1 and 2. After 2 place here the decimal point. The answer is 844.08. Next is 0.86 multiply by 2. 2 into 6 12. 2 into 8 16 plus 1 17. 1 and 2 1 and 2. Decimal point will be placed here. The answer is 1.72. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. First of all, formula of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to, formula is length into breadth. Length is 5.7, breadth is 3. So answer is 5.7 into 3, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17. 17.1 centimeter square. This is our answer. Now next question is question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter petrol. In 1 liter petrol, it can travel distance of 55.3. How much distance will be covered in 10 liter? 1 liter, 55, 2 liter, multiply by 2, 3 liter, multiply by 3. Question is 10 liter, so we will multiply by 10. In 1 liter of petrol, covers a distance is equal to 55.3 kilometer. In 10 liter of petrol covers a distance is equal to 55.3 into 10. Now 55.3 into 10. First of all, 0 will multiply these zeros, 1 multiply by these 3, 5, 5. Now adding 0, 3, 5, 5. Use decimal point after one place, so we will take after one place. So the answer is 553.0 kilometer. If we use 0 in our decimal part, no any other digit in this decimal part, this will be 553 kilometer. We can remove 0 in our decimal part if 0 is our single digit. So answer is 553 kilometer. Now take beginning from this. Question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter, breadth is 3. Formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. Given length is 5.7, breadth is 3. 5.7 into 3. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17. After one place decimal point exists, so after one place decimal point here. So answer is 17.1 centimeter square. Now question number 4. A two-wheeler covered distance of 55 in 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? If you buy one pencil in 5 rupees, 2 pencil, this will be 10 rupees. How? 5 into 2. If you buy 3 pencil, the shopkeeper says that 15 rupees because 5 into 3. So in 10 we will multiply by 10. So in 1 liter distance travel 55, in 10 liter this will be multiplied by 10. Directly we can say that how many zeros will replace the decimal points. Here is 1 0, so this will remove or shift the decimal point by 1. So the decimal point comes here. Using 0, the decimal point will be come to here. So this will be 553.0, or you can done by simply multiplication. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next questions. Now our next question is question number 3. Find the multiplication. First is 1.3 into 10. First of all, 0 will multiply, then 0 0. 1 will multiply 3 and 1 by adding these 0 3 1. Use the decimal point. Decimal point after one digit. After one digit. The answer is 13.0. Or can say this is our 13. 13.0 means 13. If we use 0 in decimal part, we will remove this. Directly we can say that 1 0, the decimal point will be shift by one digit. The decimal point will shift by one digit. Using 1 0, the decimal point will shift by one digit. So this decimal point will be come after 7. 1537. Decimal point is here, but here is no digit, so we not use the decimal point. Cross checking the question. 153.7 into 10. First of all, 0 will multiply 0 0 0 0. Second, 1 will be multiplied 7351. Now by adding these 0 7 3 5 1, use decimal point after one digit. After one digit, the answer is 1537. 1537. Next is by this one, the decimal point can shift by one digit. So this is decimal point shifted to here, and then 10. Multiply by 10. After multiply by 10, that 0 will become here 3110. Use of 10 to remove the decimal point. The decimal point after one digit, so we will use 10 to remove decimal point. The digit is 311. 10 is used, so remaining is 10. Now 311 multiply by 10, 3110. Cross check the answer. 13.1 100 will multiply. First of all, 0 multiply 0 0 0. Second, 0 will multiply 0 0 0. Now third one, 1 multiply 1 1 3. Adding these 0 0 1 1 3. Use the decimal point after one digit. Here the answer is 3110. Next is, there are 20 and 2 decimal points. So 20 will remove these 2 decimal points. So answer is 362. Now we will cross check this answer. 3.62100 multiply. First, 0 will multiply 0 0 0. Second, 0 will multiply 0 0 0. Now third one, 1 multiply 2 6 3. By adding these 0 0 2 6 3. Now use the decimal point 1 and 2 after 2 digits. 1 and 2 after 2 digits. Answer is 362.00. In decimal part we use 00, we can remove these. So answer is 362. 362. By using 10, the decimal point can shift one time. So decimal point will be move here. The decimal point will move here. The answer is 0 0 0 0, then decimal point 8. Now cross check this. 0.08 into 10. First of all, 0 will multiply 0 0 0. Then 1 multiply 8 0 0. By adding these 0 8 0 0. After 2 digits 0 will come. After 2 digits 0 will come. In decimal part, at last digit 0 we can remove this 0.8. 0.8. This is our answer. Here is a digit having 2 decimal digits, having 1 and 2 decimal digits. So use 20 to remove decimal part. Decimal part will remove, then the answer is 3. We used 2 zeros, so remaining is 10. Answer is 30. 3 into 10, 30. Now cross check this. 0.03 1000. 0 will multiply 0 0 0. Next 0 0 0. Next 0 0 0. Next 1 3 0 0. 1 0. Second multiplication of 0, third multiplication of 0, fourth multiplication of 1. Now adding these 0 0 0 3 0 0. 1 and 2. After 2 decimal points, the decimal point will come. After 2 digits, the decimal point will come. 1 and 2. After 2 digits. 3 0.00. 30.00 means 30. The answer is 30. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5. Find the multiplication of these. Here two numbers, both are decimal numbers. We will find the multiplication of these. First 2.5, second 0.3. Sign is multiplication. 3 into 5 15. 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7. Now 0 0 and 0. The multiplication is over. Now addition 5 7 0. Here decimal points is after 1 digit, 1 and 1 2. After 2 digit decimal points will come. After 2 digit decimal point will come 0.75. Next is 51.7 multiplied by 0.1. Now multiplying this 1 into 715. Another 0 into 0 0 0. The answer is 7150. Now counting of decimal point. 1 and 1. 1 and 1 2. After 2 1 and 2. After 2. The answer is 05.17. You can now write 5.17. Another is 316.8 multiply 0.2. Now 2 multiply 2 into 8 16. 2 into 6 12. 13. 2 into 2 2 plus 1 3. 2 into 3 6. Now 0 0 0 0 and 0. Addition is 63360. Now counting of decimal point 1 and 1 2 after 2 digits, 1 and 2 after 2 digits. The answer is 63.36. Next is 1.3 3.1. Now multiply 1. Next multiply 3. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 3 1 3. 3 10. 4. Now counting of decimal point 1 and 1 2. 1 and 1 2 after 2 digits, 1 2 after 2 digits. The answer is 4.03. Next is 0.5 0.05 multiplication. Now 5 into 5 25. 5 into 0 0 0 then 2. 5 into 5 25. Next is 0 0 0. Another next is 0 0 0. 5 2 0 0. Now counting of decimal point 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 after 3 digits, 1 2 3 after 3 digit decimal point will come 0.025. The next is 1.2 0.15. This is our question of multiplication. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 1 5 plus 1 6. 5 into 1 5. Now 1 after multiplying 1 2 1 1. Now another is 0 0 0 0. Adding these 0 8 6 1 0. Now counting of decimal point 1 2 3 1 2 3 after 3 digits, 1 2 3 after 3 digits. The answer is 1.68. 0 can remove from here, 0 can remove from here. The answer is 1.68. Now let this question from beginning 1 1 2 0 1 5. The decimal point is here and here. Now multiply by 5. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 1 5 plus 1 6. 5 into 1 5. Next is 1. By multiplying 1 2 1 1. The next is 0. Multiplying by 0 0 0 0. 0 8 6 1 0. Now counting of decimal point 1 2 3 1 2 3 after 3 digits, 1 2 3 after 3 digits. 0 can remove from here and 0 can remove from here. First and last 0 will be removed. The answer is 1.68. 1.68. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next questions. Now our next question is 1.07 multiply 0.02. 1.07 0.02 multiply 2 into 7 14. Then 1 2 into 1 2. Next digit is 0. Multiply by 0 1 0 0 0. Next digit is 0. Multiply by 0 0 0 and 0. Now adding these 4 1 2 0 0. Now counting of decimal points 1 2 3 4, 2 and 2, 4. After 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits, 0 will be come. The answer is 0.0214. This is our answer. Next is 10.05, 1.05 multiply. 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 10, 50. Now next is over 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Next is 1. After multiply 1, 5, 0, 0 and 1. 5, 2, 5, 5, 0 and 1. Now counting of decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 2, 4. After 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits, decimal point will become 0.5525. Next question is 101.01, 0.01 multiply. First of all, 1 will be multiply. 10101. The next one is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The next is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now adding 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0. Now counting of decimal points. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits. We can remove 0 from here. 0, 1 can also called 1. 0, 1 can also called 1. So answer is 1.0101. 1.0101. Next is this 100.01. Another is 1.1. Multiply. By multiplying 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. After multiplying 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Adding these 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now counting of decimal points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit decimal point will be used. So answer is 110.011. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.